All right, boys, so the truck is not looking so hot right now, and here's why. So in the last video, I put my new headlights in, and I just pulled them back out because we're gonna color match them. I don't know if you guys ever seen online, what people do is they pull the headlights apart, put them in the oven, and pretty much paint the insides, color match their truck, and it looks freaking sick. That's what we're doing today. So pretty much this is what I'm talking about. They literally open the lens, they take the lens off because they come apart, and then they paint the insides, and it just looks way sicker than this. Because right now the chrome, I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it's just not looking so hot. So today we're cooking some headlights. And also I've got a friend coming. They are gonna help me open these up because it's not easy. Like this glue is like, we're gonna need some experts around here. So
very experienced people around here that's gonna work on this stuff.
yeah,
that's one thing.
They're on their way. I think we're gonna make some cookies while we're at it too. So I guess I'll catch you back when they're here. What's up? Are you on your way? I need you to grab some aprons since we're cooking.
Okay, that's fine. I'll just get whatever I say first.
Alright, just make sure you choose wisely. I don't want no kiss the cook apron, okay?
I'm burying your gifts!
Got the aprons? Oh, she hits the mailbox?
Oh my.
You're like this close. Alright, let's see these aprons.
I don't really know which one is for you. Just
Oh my god. Wait a minute.
This is cute. This will look good with you, with your outfit.
I am not wearing that.
Yeah, you are. So this one's probably for you.
Happiness is only a cupcake away.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Whine a little, laugh a lot.
Definitely not wearing that, no way. Alright guys, so today on Judah's Kitchen, we're cooking headlights. This is the headlight expert, this is Bella. I'm gonna need you to preheat the oven to 200 degrees.
Wait, this is my job. Move
Oh, this
out
is
of
your
the
job.
way.
Here,
Yeah.
I'm gonna mess it up for you.
No, move.
Do you even know what we're doing?
Cooking a headlight.
Put it in the oven, you
Yeah.
heat it up, you melt the glue, pull the lens off, and then you get the chrome painted because it looks cool. And they wanted to charge me $1,000 to do this. So right now, we're saving $1,000. That's why I had you come through. So first step first, pull the bulbs out, pull the screws out, pull these clips off, and then pop her in the oven. If she can do this, then anyone can do
I'm
this.
scared. Let me do it.
Let her do it. Let her do it. Let her do
All
it.
right.
Judah doesn't have trust in me yet. We haven't built our relationship.
Ooh.
While we're waiting for the oven to preheat, we make some cookies.
Then the headlight's gonna smell like cookies. What are we
That's
doing?
probably fire. That might be a new trend.
Cookie headlights. I'm gonna grease up Judah's pan.
If they stick,
If they stick,
you're in
what?
trouble.
What are you gonna do?
You're in charge of the cookies. I'm in charge of the headlights.
Don't eat all of it.
Even though she's the headlight expert. Very smart. You gotta wash your hands.
Yeah, after she
Washing
puts
your hands too,
she
that's
puts
what
two
it
down.
Yeah, I realize it's kind of late, but you know
Who
what?
cares?
You already touched them and
Yeah.
then you wash your hands.
It's fine.
That's like peeing. Or
I'll
no,
be
that's like-
used to then.
This is washing your hands before you piss.
Yeah, I've actually done that.
Oh,
So
the
pull out
headlight.
the bulbs, pull out the screws, pull off the clips, and now she's ready to be put in the oven. Cook her at 200 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes.
That was 3 fingers.
200 degrees.
I really did that?
Yeah.
You know, you had this. You did this.
If you want to go back and check.
Cook her at 200 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes. And then you're gonna pry her open, and it's not gonna be fun, but we can do it. So 10 minutes later, oh, that bitch is hot. You don't want to go put it in too long. So what now, Bella?
Alright, so we blow off.
We what?
I mean, we like blow to cool it off a little bit.
No.
before we touch it. But what are you doing?
No, we just go send it. We just
Cutting it?
send it.
You're just going.
Going for it.
Oh,
You're gonna hurt
wow.
yourself.
Okay. You're
I'm not gonna lie. I did the other one yesterday, so your boy's got a little bit of experience. So I cut all the glue with this as much as I could. And now I'm gonna put them back in the oven and then I'm gonna start prying. So hopefully it goes good. Is that what I'm supposed to do, Bella?
Tell me again?
Say yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh my.
We should have got that. Oh,
Oh, yo.
it needs to cool down, bro. That bitch is hot.
I kinda got caught up in TikToking with Judah's truck.
Oh my god. Get the cookies. Did you burn them?
So they're burning?
They're burned. Here. Don't burn yourself.
It's fine. They're still.
It's only okay to burn the cookies.
Oh my god. One while they're still like soft, you know.
Oh
When
yeah.
they're burned, that's the only time they're good.
Are they burnt? Oh my god. Oh!
Oh my god.
Burn my boobs!
Let me get that.
Hey, take it.
Hope the headlights don't turn out like the cookies. Alright guys, so today we're gonna cook headlights and cookies, and we're not gonna burn them.
No, we're not gonna burn them.
We're not gonna burn them. This is key to building headlights, just cooking cookies at the same time.
Are you kidding?
We just took the cookies out.
I told you guys, take them out 2 minutes
And they're a
ago.
little bit brown, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, this bitch is hot. Ooh. This is the 4th time I put it in, so popped.
There we go.
Money. Ooh, ooh, it's hot. I'm a beast. Honestly, it took 4 rounds of 7-minute sessions in the oven for you guys at home, cooking cookies and opening your headlights. And if you need Bella to help, because you can see that she's such a great help. Like we couldn't have done this without her.
Me?
I'll make sure not to put in the link, so don't worry. So all this was to pull this out, and now I'm gonna pull this out, and then we're gonna paint, color match the truck, all this chrome and this. So then the headlights match the truck. Oh boy, finally got it all back from paint. The time has come to finally put this truck back together. So check these things out. So as you see, I got the cowl painted, I got the headlights painted, I got this piece repainted because it wasn't looking too good. I had my first painter paint that, so I had that redone as well. And now is the not so fun part of putting these headlights back together. So I actually already did one just to get it out of the way, so now I know how to do it. And now on this one, I'm gonna show you guys what to do. I ordered this glue online. This glue is called Retro Rubber Resealing Glue from Morimoto. And pretty much it's like the same stuff that I had to scrape out of here. And pretty much what you're gonna do is, first things first, is you gotta get a razor blade and scrape off all the old glue off these lenses. Clean the inside of the lens really good, and then put this glue into the channel of your headlight right here. You're gonna stuff it in there, and then you're gonna put this in the oven, bake it up, get it nice and warm, and then put the lens into the headlight. And then you're gonna put your screws in, and then on the last headlight, I actually had to put it in and out a couple times just to get it to heat up. And once you get the lens all the way into this piece, then you're gonna put the little clamps on. These little metal clamps are these little things that just clamp onto the sides. They came with the headlights when I got them, but I had to pry them off to obviously pull the lens off. So I'm gonna put this in time lapse, show you guys how to do this. It's pretty simple, it's just tedious. So this should take me about 30 minutes, and also I gotta put this together, put the LED back in, but that's all easy stuff. So let's bang this out real quick. The headlights are done, and I can tell you they look freaking sick. I just put them in the truck. I didn't film it because no one wants to see me putting some headlights in my truck. That's super easy. It's like 5 bolts. And also, I've got some new platinum letters. I ordered these online. They're only 25 bucks. And we're getting rid of the latinum because if you guys don't remember in the last video, I was missing my P. My painter misplaced it, but these are only 25 bucks. So I ordered these. Let me show you what this truck looks like right now. It looks absolutely insane. So as you can see, the headlights look sick, but now it's time to get rid of the latinum because, you know, this P, I guess it didn't look as good as I thought. You know, people were saying they could tell. So I got the new letters, and I'm gonna make this easy for you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom, done. Don't you guys like YouTube? For me, that was like 30 minutes, but for you guys, it was like 2 seconds. So I'm not gonna lie, I like the chrome a lot. Like compared to the black, I think the chrome pops a lot more. Like the chrome looks way better. Like this side's still black, and it just, you know, it doesn't pop like the chrome does. But guys, the truck is absolutely sick. Like, I couldn't be more happy with how the headlights came out. And I'm not gonna lie, a lot of people told me I couldn't do these headlights. Like, I swear I had at least 10 people tell me, oh, send them out, have them done, don't do it, you're gonna crack the lens, you can't, like, oh, they're gonna leak. And I swear, it's like, I'm thinking in my head, like, bro, how hard could this be? Like, you're literally taking it apart, putting it back together. If this kid's doing it, kid's same age as me, like, I know a lot of people that own these headlight companies, I know them personally, and I know how hard could it be if they do it. So that's how I've always thought in my life. I think if he can do it, I can do it. And that's kind of what, I think that's what kind of has got me to the point I am now, because I just never have people do things for me. I'm gonna try to do it myself, and then I'm gonna fail. If I fail, then I might give it to them, or I might try again, you never know. But that's how you gotta be in life. Honestly, there's so many kids I know that wouldn't even attempt to build these headlights, like, and it's such a simple little thing, and I'm not trying to blow this out of proportion, but little things like this transcend into bigger things in life. Like, if you can't take on a little headlight project, you're definitely not gonna try to do something crazier in the future if you don't even think that you could figure out how to separate some headlights and paint the inside. It's really, really easy. I mean, it took some time and it was really tedious, but anyone can do it. You just watch some YouTube videos, go on the forums on like Google, just type in how to separate headlights. That's what I did, and that's what I've always done my entire life when it comes to learning anything. No one's taught me anything. I mean, I've learned stuff from some people, but everything I've ever wanted to do, I just Googled it and I YouTubed it and I did it. I challenge all you guys that watch my videos to start doing your own stuff. Like, if your motor blows up, don't try to rebuild it. That's not what I'm saying. But little things like building some headlights and just little things in life, and no matter what it is, it doesn't even have to be on your car. Just try it, because you're gonna learn no matter what. If you mess up and fail, it's a learning experience, and most of the time you're not gonna fail. Like, most of the time when you mess it up, you can fix it. So just take your time, learn, and just, you know, take on these little challenges, because I guarantee you do little things like this, you get more confident taking on bigger things in the future. So it's a lot deeper than just building some headlights. But that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Got some big things going on in the future, so stay tuned. The Hellcat rims, I just got them back from Powder Coat. I just got the blow back from Powder Coat. So I'll catch you guys next video. Thanks for watching like always. And that's a wrap. Peace.